In this video, we'll show you how to apply for a loan with BBVA, step by step, and what you should keep in mind before submitting your application. The first thing we need to do is open the BBVA app, or visit the official website and sign into our account. Once we're inside, we'll look for the loans or financing section. Depending on our account and the products available, we'll be able to view the different loan options offered by BBVA. Next, we'll select the type of loan we're interested in and enter how much money we want to borrow and how long we want to take to repay it. The app will show us an estimate of the monthly payments and the applicable financing terms. After that, we'll need to provide the information requested by BBVA, which may include our personal details, income, employment status, and other financial information needed to assess the application. Once all the information has been entered, we'll be able to review the loan offer and its terms. Before continuing, it's very important to carefully check the interest rate, monthly payment, any applicable fees, and the total amount we'll have to repay. And that's it. As you can see, applying for a loan with BBVA is a fairly simple process, but it's essential to review all the terms carefully and make sure you can comfortably afford the payments before accepting the financing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.